The murder of a healthcare CEO has shaken the nation, but the legal battle surrounding the suspect's arrest might just be more explosive. Here's the shocking part. The evidence that could make or break the case is now under scrutiny, and its legality is being fiercely debated in court. This week, all eyes are on Luigi Mangione, the man accused of killing Brian Thompson, a high-ranking executive at United Healthcare, in a case that has ignited both public outrage and unexpected support for the defendant. Mangione is set to appear in a Manhattan state court on Monday for what could be a week-long hearing to determine whether the evidence collected during his arrest holds up in court. But here's where it gets controversial. His legal team argues that the police violated his constitutional rights during the arrest, potentially rendering key evidence inadmissible. This isn't just a local affair. Mangione also faces federal charges in Manhattan, adding another layer of complexity to this already high-stakes case. Thompson's murder last December sent shockwaves through New York City and beyond. The brutal killing on the streets of one of America's busiest cities not only launched an intense manhunt, but also fueled widespread anger toward the for-profit healthcare industry, which Thompson represented. Since his arrest, Mangione has garnered a surprising following, with supporters rallying both online and outside the courthouse. Why? Some see him as a symbol of resistance against a system they believe is broken. Mangione has pleaded not guilty to all charges, and his legal journey took a dramatic turn in September when Judge Carro dismissed the two most serious state charges against him: first-degree murder and second-degree murder as acts of terrorism. Carro ruled that the evidence presented by prosecutors was legally insufficient to support these charges. But this is the part most people miss. While those charges were dropped, Mangione still faces 9 counts in his state case, including second-degree murder, which carries a sentence of 25 years to life in New York. The heart of the current legal battle lies in the circumstances of Mangione's arrest. On December 9, 2024, police apprehended him at a McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania, based on an anonymous tip. His lawyers argue that officers failed to immediately inform him of his Miranda rights, a critical oversight that could invalidate his statements to police. They also claim that the search of his backpack was conducted without a warrant, making any evidence obtained during the arrest inadmissible. If the court agrees, it could significantly weaken the prosecution's case. This week's proceedings will feature testimony from over 24 witnesses, including police officers involved in the arrest, who will be grilled about the events leading up to Mangione's capture and the evidence collected. The outcome could set a precedent for how law enforcement handles high-profile arrests and raises a thought-provoking question. Should procedural errors by police automatically disqualify evidence, even in cases as grave as murder? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. This is a debate that's far from over.